Welcome to TechApex Academy, your premier destination for computer science education. We guide students from their first steps into technology through to achieving advanced proficiency. This is Course Day 6, Keyboard Control. We will turn your project into a real interactive game by mapping physical keyboard inputs to mathematical coordinate movements. This gives you total control over your Scratch character. To build our game controller, we'll learn about event triggers, using key presses for human input. We will then cover horizontal mapping for the x-axis and vertical mapping for the y-axis. The Scratch stage is driven by math. To build a directional controller, we map key presses to specific coordinate changes. Remember, right increases x, left decreases x, up increases y, and down decreases y. Let's look at the step-by-step process. First, drag out a when key pressed block from events. Change the key to the right arrow. Then, add a change x by 10 feet block from motion. Snap it underneath and test with your right arrow key. Let's do a brain check. Question 1. Which block is best for moving a character upward when an arrow key is pressed? The correct answer is A, change y by 10. Your sandbox mission is to complete all 4 arrow key scripts, up, down, left, and right. The ultimate test is to smoothly navigate your character in a full circle using only your physical keyboard. Thank you for watching. Join our community to see how we make learning tech fun and impactful. Visit our YouTube channel and remember to like, share, and subscribe.